going on YouTube? Metman 2019 back here with another video. Wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to kind of rectify the issue of your garbage disposal humming, but it's not actually turning, and it's very obvious when it's only humming, just giving that humming noise. So we'll make this one pretty quick. Obviously, you can look down in your garbage disposal area, make sure nothing is lodged in there, such as silverware or any other items that may have dropped down there if you have kids or anything like that. However, this is a pretty quick and easy fix, assuming that nothing else is wrong with it, and I will try to film this as best I can. So, as you can see, what I have here is just an Allen wrench or hex key set, Allen key, whatever you want to call it. Mine happens to be the 1/4 inch, as you can see right there, for this garbage disposal. That's the size there. Okay, so what we're gonna do to fix that humming noise and kind of get it spinning again, like I said, I'll try and film this the best I can. But up under the bottom of the garbage disposal, you can see right there where you're going to throw in that hex key. All right, so let me grab mine here. So I'm going to go up from the bottom. Sorry, I'm trying to film this and watch what I'm doing at the same time. I'm going to throw that up in there, and it's going to fit pretty snug. You'll be able to hear it when it's all the way up. And you're going to give that a turn. And you can almost kind of hear the junk, the gunk and stuff turning there. But you're going to give that a couple turns back and forth. And really, that should fix it, guys. And if it doesn't, obviously you can look into some other solutions, and hopefully it doesn't ultimately need to be replaced. But let's come back up here and see what it sounds like now. I'm gonna run some water, that way you don't run it dry. As you can hear, guys, it is running as good as new. I don't use my garbage disposal all the time, so sometimes I run into that issue and I need to just do a little quick fix on it. So hopefully that helps you guys. Subscribe to the channel, please. As always, I appreciate everybody that has been, and thank you to everybody that's been watching my videos. Subscribe, share, like the video, and we will have more videos soon.